This is the same batch of Sri Lankan wild arga wood from the previous video. After it's gone through the cleaning and quality control process and the drying process, it looks significantly different. As you can see, the pieces are far thinner because we've removed all the unnecessary fibers that were unresonated, and to give you a much better quality of burn, and the fragrance is far superior compared to what it was initially when it was fresh from the jungle. The color has obviously significantly changed. You could see more of the resin in this particular pieces. The sound is different because it's much more drier. The aroma will be significantly different from when you first receive wild Sri Lankan wood fresh from the jungle.